Try to find some place to park. Hey everybody, it's Dan's In-Body Experience down here in Huntington, West Virginia, checking out Heritage Farms. This is my first time. Come along with me, please. Give you a quick overview. I believe there's a good bit more, but we'll walk inside here and get a little bit of information. Oh, cafe. Give you heart failure if you're weak at heart. Is that Uma Thurman? This place is really clean and beautiful. It's really well done in here. All the natural woodwork, natural colors, pretty. Is it filling?
I thought I was knocking it off the table.
That's pretty good right there. I move fast, don't I? What's this? We go up there? Well, let's go. What do you think? I'm going for it. Oh, well, can go in there. It's pretty neat. Okay. Thought I got a good view from up here. Cute little village. Is that wobbly? We're doing this one. Can you get in there? I hope so. Road steps. That's really cool. What have we got? No, darn it. See if you guys can see it. It's pretty neat. Darn. Okay. Can't go in there. Okay, we just tried to go in the side. I don't know if they'll let us in this neither. It's probably locked too. Oh, darn it. It's locked. Old automobiles, we gotta check that out. way. I'm in the cabin? Blacksmith on duty. Oh, looky there. Let's see a blacksmith do his thing.
Hello.
Hey, is he working it?
Oh yes, they're working.
Right at it.
I smell it. I smell the
coal
coal.
all day,
We're going at it hammer and tone.
making skillets where they cook off.
Really?
Well, we've got people that pay to come here and cook, and of course they get judged, and it'll be October the 14th.
Not far.
It's a cast iron cook-off, and they have to build fires and cook out here in the
Cool.
field. Yeah.
There's one big.
That loaded Sean Kelp
One
didn't.
of the things that they did is a handmade skillet from the blacksmith.
Okay.
So that's what he's working on, the components to put them together.
It's actually working.
I was that hot, I'd jump around too, piece.
That's an anvil, ain't it?
500 pound.
That's a big one. I got one, but it's not near that.
Yeah, none of mine are at home either. This is
I think what that thing costs.
that's an American made anvil, by the way.
That looks just like mine, but mine's downsized significantly.
It's what kind, sir?
Mine's just like that, but just smaller.
Yeah.
Looks just like that. You pumping that thing? Yeah. There's it in action, guys. It's neat, ain't it? Well, we're snooping around. Thanks, guys, for talking to us.
Have a good day, guys.
No problem.
Thank you. Oh, yeah, really?
Did you get pictures of the guy throwing tomahawk? He's our expert, and he'll let people throw if they want to, or he'll do it just for a demo. He's been doing that for probably 25 years. He can throw them frontwards, backwards, two at a time, underhanded, overhanded.
Huh.
He's real good at it. And he loves showing people.
We just got in here. It's a pretty place, ain't it?
Oh, it's great. It's from.
Gallia County, Ohio, if you're in or not. A little gal west a little bit.
Yeah, that worked out.
We're actually a little place called Mercerville.
Okay.
My
got
sister
lots of,
told us about this place.
Yeah, we got lots of museums open today, and transportation's open, and Progress is open. Mercantile's open.
I like the cars.
Yeah, we got a lot of those.
I like that. I got a body shop. We're car guys.
Oh, goodness. Well, you'll appreciate those then.
Village Vittles. That smells like real food in there. Look at this little. Wow, that's pretty. Hey,
Hi.
you're actually serving real food in here, huh?
Yeah, we actually do.
There it is. Yeah.
Now I only serve over here on Wednesdays and Saturdays.
Okay.
So
We just got in. We're checking the place out.
it's really
Ma'am,
nice. You
it
picked a
is,
great
isn't it?
day.
Hi.
I said it's really nice and you picked a really great day.
A perfect day, didn't we?
I love it.
also take a picture of the top of the window, so I can make sure I get the right side of the command hooks. If they're on the place.
Alright guys, then we'll cut it there for a day because there's a lot to see at this place. And I'm going to be putting it in maybe over the next few days, maybe piece it in somewhere else. I don't know exactly how I'm going to do it, but hope you keep watching me. Please like, subscribe, and share. And this vlog is, well, temporarily done.